Hey newscrypto fan, did you miss me? Here is our latest newscrypto shoutouts of the week. So we have MD Alamgir Hussein, Paul Veroni, Derek James, Yowai, Jane Hamilton 46, Barry Kyoda, Hyel Evie 65, RTL Memory, Macab Crypto, and Garuto 5411. Once again, congratulations guys for being included right here in our current batch of shoutouts. Because of that, let's do the To the Moon Soon coming from yours truly.
To the moon soon and double shit to the moon soon.
Okay guys, so let's roll. What's up peeps, this is Jeff aka Nomad Fury, and we're back once again for another news crypto video where the platform itself is an already tested product used by the world's top traders that serves as an all-in-one crypto suite. It provides a comprehensive set of tools for all users regardless of their current level of knowledge. The platform offers everything from automatic charting tools that help beginners understand the basics of technical analysis to advanced proprietary indicators for expert traders. So for more information, all you have to do is to simply go to their official website at newscrypto.io and explore their one-of-a-kind platform for both crypto traders and enthusiasts from around the globe. They also have a non-custodial mobile wallet and their next-generation mobile app that is available for Android and iOS devices. Alright, so let's head over to our main topic, shall we? Okay, so I know that the Ethereum merge is finally going to happen this month. Some of you are excited while others are having concerns, and the rest are just having nothing to say except best of luck to all of the ETH holders out there. Well, if you don't know about the Ethereum merge, it's likely going to transition itself from the proof of work consensus to proof of stake. So what does this mean anyways? It means that the days of mining Ethereum are likely going to be over and it's just going to focus on staking them instead. But the edge is that when proof of stake happens, the problematic gas fees that we're enduring for a long time will finally be over. But guys, do you think that this will only affect Ethereum and ERC20 token holders when it comes to price movement? Absolutely not. Bitcoin is still dominating here, and wherever BTC goes, most of the altcoins would likely follow because Bitcoin is currently the main gateway towards converting to fiat. And due to the upcoming merge, we could see a temporary suspension of all Ethereum-related transactions for the time being, including ERC20 tokens and NFTs that are under the Ethereum blockchain. And speaking of ERC20, NWC has its own version of it, aside from Stellar Lumens and Binance Smart Chain. Now, what do you expect about this event though? Will it be bullish or bearish or nothing at all? In my own opinion though, despite that there are no promises or guarantees here, before the merge date, most likely, the Ethereum's price might slightly go down first as the whales might manipulate it to buy at their targeted prices. However, even if they did bought at cheaper prices before the merge event happens, there are no guarantees on when will Ethereum be lifting up, as well as the other cryptocurrencies in the market who might be influenced due to the merge event. If I were to be asked whether if it's bearish or bullish for the ETH merge and how long will it be, the thing is that the cryptocurrency market is so unpredictable and anything could happen without warning. So no guarantees or promises at all when it comes to these predictions. You just have to be prepared for any sudden circumstances. In other words, expect the unexpected and just acknowledge whatever results that you can get after the Ethereum merge. Because like what I have said in my previous videos, only invest and trade an amount that you can afford to lose and learn risk management in both time and in the financial side. Hopefully this video helps you a lot to prepare for the upcoming Ethereum merge, especially to the newscrypto family. Invest and trade responsibly. Did you enjoy watching this video? If yes, I would like to thank you for this. And if you want to stay updated regarding my latest videos, interviews, and giveaways, just hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And also you could follow me on my official social media channels. Alright, I guess I'll see you guys on my next video.